Today teacher is going to teach you sounds of alphabets. So we'll start with first letter. Which is the first alphabet? Yes, it's A. So start with A. There was a little girl whose name was Annie. She climbed up on an apple tree. Then what happened? One ant bit her on her ankle and she started shouting, something is tickling me. Something is tickling me. So kids, what is the sound of A? It's A. Yes? Bablu, the big bear, has a big balloon and a blue ball. When playing with his blue ball, the ball bounces like b. So kids, what is the sound of B? It's B. Cammy, the cute girl, has nice curly hair. She likes to eat delicious cake. While eating cake, she curls up her hair and says, curly curly curl, curly curly curl. So kids, this is the sound of letter C. C says K. K. So, what is the sound of C? Soft K. David the drummer likes to play drum. While playing with his drum, he marches up and down, and his drum sounds like d. So kids, this is the sound of letter D. It is D. Kids, this is the time for letter E. Ellie the elephant likes to eat eggs. For making its breakfast, it took eggs into the kitchen. For breaking its shell, it tapped the egg on a pan. While tapping the egg on the pan, it sounds like A. So kids, this is the sound of letter E. E says A. Kids, this is the time for letter F. There was a fire on a farm. Fred the fireman fights with the fire. For putting off the fire, he took out his long hose. While water was coming out of the hose, it sounds like yes, this is the sound of letter F. F says Geeta, the gorgeous girl, was staying with her granny. Geeta and granny both were fond of eating groundnuts. After eating groundnuts, they both drank water and gaggled like g. Kids, this is the sound of letter G. G says G. Now, this is the time for letter H. Harry, Helen and Harriet hopped as fast as they can. It was a hot day and hopping was a hard work. Harry Harriet was huffing and puffing. By the time she finished the race, she made a sound. Kids, this is the sound of letter H. H says Kids, this is the time for letter I. There was an intelligent girl. Her name was Ishita. Ishita liked to write with ink pen. She filled ink in her ink pen. But suddenly what happened? All the ink fell on her frock. And she said, "Ee." What she said? E. Kids, this is the sound of letter I. I says E. John was fond of eating jelly. His mother made tasty jelly for John. While carrying jelly to the table, jelly was wobble and wobble. John was very happy and pretended to wobble like jelly. J. Kids, this is the sound of letter J. J says Karan, Kangaroo and Kitten were good friends. Kangaroo wants to fly kite, but Kitten and Karan want to play ball. While playing, Karan kicked the ball and sounds K. What is the sound? K. Kids, this is the sound of letter K. K says K. Lisa is looking lovely in her lavender dress. She loves to have leafy vegetables and lemon for her lunch. She likes to lick lollipop. Mama gave her a lollipop and she started licking la. Kids, this is the sound of letter L. L says la. Molly likes to eat mangoes. On Monday, she went to the market and bought mangoes. Her mother cut some mangoes for her. She ate all the mangoes and said, "Mmm." What she said? Mmm. Kids, this is the sound of letter M. M says mmm. Yes? Nancy was a naughty girl. One day, she went near a narrow bridge. There, she met her neighbor, Nana. Nancy was showing Nana her new necklace. Suddenly, they heard a loud noise. They saw a clear sky. There was an aeroplane flying in the sky. And it made the sound mmm. Mmm. Kids, this is the sound of letter N. N says mmm. Kids, this is the time for letter O. Oliver and Oscar were old friends. They joined a new office in Oman. In their new office, the light switch was near to their table. So, they can easily switch the lights on and off. On and off. Off and off. Off, off. Kids, this is the sound of letter O. O says O. 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 There is a princess Pearl, lives in a pink palace. On her birthday, she ordered a pink cake. She placed a trick candle on the cake. She blows out the candle, but it lights up again and again. Finally, she puffed the candle. Yes, this is the sound of letter P. P says P. Queen Curie and Quena enjoy visiting the park quite often. In the park, there was a pond. In the pond, some small ducks were moving in a queue. When the ducks saw both the queens, they started quacking quack, quack. Kids, this is the sound of letter Q. Q says quack. Robin had a red car. Robin and his friend Robert planned a car race. As Robin started the car, it sounds like Kids, this is the sound of letter R. R says yes. On Sunday, it was a sunny morning. Sana wants to make a sand castle. Suddenly, one spotted snake crawls out of the sand and starts hissing. Kids, this is the sound of letter S. S says Tim and Tom were watching a tennis match on the television. When the match began, both the players hit the ball towards each other and it sounds like yes kids, this is the sound of letter T. T says T. Ali has fever tonight. His mother gives him some medicine. After drinking the some medicine, Ali makes the sound Kids, this is the sound of letter U. U says Vicky and Varun were best friends. One day they planned for an outing. Vicky was playing violin and Varun was driving his van. Kids, this is the sound of letter V. V says yes. One woman was sitting on a white chair and drinking delicious watermelon juice. She saw one white bird sitting on the window sill. She heard the wind blowing like v. Kids, this is the sound of letter W. W says v. Rex wants to cut his hair. He goes to a barber shop. For cutting his hair, the barber picks up the scissor. While cutting his hair, the scissor sounds like kss, kss, kss. Kids, this is the sound of letter X. X says kss. Yeah. Yasmin likes to eat yogurt and she loves to play with a yellow yo-yo. While eating yogurt, she says yummy, yum 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 yum. And while playing with the yellow yo-yo, it sounds like ya, ya, ya. Kids, this is the sound of letter Y. Y says ya. Zubin and his family went to visit a zoo. There they saw one zebra. Suddenly they heard the big buzzing sound of honeybees and it makes the sound zzz, zzz. Kids, this is the sound of letter Z. Z says zzz. These were the sounds of all the alphabets, and I hope you all enjoyed the stories of alphabets and their sounds. So now all of you practice for it. Bye.